Servers Clients, WebSocket Server. On this tab, you can see controls to enable and configure built-in Streamer.Bot WebSocket server and a table of all connected clients. You can use this to receive events from Streamer.Bot and their data in other applications, allowing you to trigger actions or use the data. You can also send commands to Streamer.Bot to trigger actions or get information. If you plan to create clients, there is an official TypeScript client library for interacting with the Streamer.Bot WebSocket server, making client development much easier. Additionally, a version is available for the Vue.js framework. In the controls section, you have After Start WebSocket Server sets whether the server should automatically start after Streamer.Bot is launched. In the settings, you have Address, the IP address of the machine running Streamer.Bot. If you are connecting from a client on the same machine, use localhost. If you are connecting from a different machine, use the corresponding network interface address. Port specifies the port number you want the server to listen on. Endpoint. This is an additional part of the server address, which can make it more descriptive. In the authentication, you have Enabled determines whether Streamer.Bot requires a password. Since authentication was primarily introduced for the dockable chat functionality, its logic might be a little confusing, so bear with me. If disabled, general functionality works as usual and doesn't require authentication. Dockable chat operates in read-only mode. If enabled, general functionality still works as usual and doesn't require authentication. Dockable chat operates in full mode only if you provide the password when connecting. If no password is provided, dockable chat will still work, but it will be in read-only mode. Enforce for all requests. If enabled, the server will require a password for all connections, not just from the dockable chat. The dockable chat will not connect until the password is provided. If you don't pass authentication in 30 seconds, client will be disconnected. Password. Here you set the password used for client authentication. The Show Hide button lets you reveal or hide the password. This button is only available when the server is stopped. The buttons for starting and stopping the server. In the Connected Clients section, you can see a table of connected clients. You can change the width of all columns by dragging the separators. If you double-click on a separator, the column will resize to fit the width of its largest value. You can't sort or filter anything in this table. In the table you can see Address, the IP address of the client. Subscriptions displays how many events the client has subscribed to. Authenticated indicates whether the client has passed authentication. If you right-click on any client, you will see the following option. Disconnect disconnects the selected client.